Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to teach you function of statistics. First of all, simplification of complex methods. So the complex mass of data are made simple and understandable with the help of a statistical method. So statistical method always help to solve the complex data in a simple and understandable way, because human cannot remember huge facts and figures. So if human learn different facts and figures, so first of all, these all figures and facts simplify in a clarify in a simple way, so it can be easy to learn facts and figures. So statistical method make these data easy to group through various techniques. So here's a different statistical technique which is help to convert the complex data into simple data, like average, variation, graph, diagram, clarification, tabulation, and so on. Then second is comparative study. The chief function of statistics is comparison. Statistical devices, average, ratio, percentage, coefficient, standard error, etc., offer best way of comparison between two phenomena. So, statistical methods always help to compare two or three data with in same time, with the help of these statistical devices like average, ratio, percentages, coefficient, standard error, and so on. Third is relationship between facts. Statistics investigate relationships between two or more phenomena. For example, the relationship existing between demand and supply, money supply, and price level, rainfall, and agriculture production can best be measured with the help of statistical method. So in statistical method always make relationship between old facts as well as new facts. And there's examples of these phenomena is relationship existing between demand and supply. It means अभी की जो डिमांड एंड सप्लाई है, पुराना जो डिमांड सप्लाई है, उसका रिलेशनशिप बनाना. मनी एंड सप्लाई इन दिस ईयर एंड प्रीवियस ईयर, price level in this year and previous year, and rainfall and agriculture production can be measured with the help of a statistical method. So we found what is the loss and profit, and it is always help to measure different kinds of data in a same time. Then fourth is formulation of policies. Statistics help us in formulating various policies in different fields. So you all know different fields have their own policies and rules and regulations. So with the help of statistical methods, it is easy to make any policies in different fields. Various law have been developed on the basis of statistics, because these the various laws depend on different kind of statistics, like Malthusian theory of population, Engel's law of family budget, and so on. Then last is to forecast means फ्यूचर के बारे में पता करना. So statistical methods are not only helpful in estimating the present but also in forecasting the future. So with the help of statistical methods, we estimate the present data as well as we also forecasting the data in the future. There is special techniques in statistics for exploration and forecasting. The special technique name is there's a special techniques of statistical method. We easily explore the data and forecast the data. Here some limitations of statistics. Then next point is the limitations of statistics are as under. Statistics studies only the quantitative aspect of a problem. So statistics always emphasize only क्वांटिटी बेस में इसकी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होती है, रादर दैन qualitative aspects or qualitative ways. So second is statistical deal with averages. Law of statistics are true on average. These statistical laws are not universally applicable as the law of physics or chemistry. So statistics deal with only averages and in economics, but here is a statistical law not a universal applicable because it is used only economics and averages, and but laws of physics or chemistry is a universally they can solve any universal problems. Third is statistics does not study individual items, it is deal with mass phenomena. It is means कि जो total calculation को solve करता है rather than individual items को. Then fourth is statistical results are not only approximately correct, so we do not get exact or correct answer. We only we always it means the answers is not perfect accuracy, it is based the result we get only approximately way. Here statistics can seldom give complete solution to a problem. Seldom means कभी कभी solutions देता है. They provide a basis for judgment but not on the whole judgment. So it is a base only a specific judgment rather than a whole judgment of the problem. The result of a statistical investigation should not be taken percent correct. So it means the result the statistical investigation of the result is only a approximately correct rather than fully correct. So this chapter is completed, and you just write down these all topics in your notebook and learn each and everything.